Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to change your Spectrum Wisconsin Fi name. Let's get started. Ensure you have your Wi-Fi's IP address at your fingertips before attempting to change its name. If you have it, enter the IP address in the search field of a web browser and hit Enter to access the network's web interface. If you're redirected to a warning screen alarming you that the connection isn't private, click the Advanced button followed by the provided hyperlink with your IP address. This will take you to a sign-in page to your Wi-Fi's web interface. Enter your current Wi-Fi name and password in their respective entry fields and click Login once logged in. Click the Advanced tab at the top ribbon and select the Wi-Fi band panel. On the resultant page, click the Basic tab. On the next page, edit the Wi-Fi's SSID. Confirm the change if prompted by retyping the SSID and click the Apply button to save the changes. Return to the home page and repeat the procedure to change the Wi-Fi name for the remaining Wi-Fi band. And that's it. Changing your Spectrum Wisconsin Fi's name is that simple. Thanks for watching.